In this lesson, we'll talk about the organizer. The organizer is available from the toolbar in the upper right-hand corner of Xcode, and this will bring up its primary interface. Now, the organizer is a subcomponent of Xcode that's used to handle a variety of ancillary development tasks. Now, the name organizer has always seemed slightly odd to me, but I guess it was better than the collection of tools that didn't fit anywhere else window, because that's really what it is. Now, the buttons on the menu bar show the various features of this window. We've already seen the Devices tab. This is where we were able to provision our device, and we can manage any devices we use for development purposes. We can see their provisioning profiles. If we want to view any crash logs that would have happened on a particular device, we can view those from here. Under the Repositories tab, we will see any Subversion and Git repositories that we might have configured in our environment. I currently don't have anything under source code control, so I'm not seeing anything in this window, but this is where we would find it if we did. The Projects tab will show us all of the open projects that we've worked with in Xcode. From here, we can view their derived data, and a project's derived data are its various build artifacts that it produces. And snapshots are point-in-time snapshots of an Xcode project, so we can view and manage those from here. The Archives button allows us to view and manage distribution archives. As we produce builds for either beta distribution or for App Store distribution, we create what's called an archive. And those archives will show up in here and we can view and manage those. And finally, we have the documentation viewer. And of all these tools, this is probably the one we use most frequently. But from here, we can explore different doc sets. We can search through the various documentation if I wanted to find all the interesting information about UI View Controller. I can search through that. And it'll show me documentation references, any sample code. You can also view and manage any documentation bookmarks you would have created from here as well. So you should now have a better understanding of the organizer.